Hello and welcome to our new website. As you can see, we've changed the design a little bit. We've got all these boxes now, and the idea of these boxes is that we know how much you want to know exactly what we're doing at any one time, and so these boxes enable us to do just that. So for example, we've got the news over here, and we've got any offers running over here in this box. These boxes also allow us to have a bit of fun. So for example, we've gone to this first page, but now we want to do a search, so we can quickly click on the search and that will come up in another box. And yes, if we want to check before we search what our existing results are, we can click on results here and immediately we can see that actually we haven't searched for anything, so we haven't got any results. So, but it gives you an idea of how you can play with those boxes. And these boxes and the changing of the boxes works on every page we have. So, for example, if you go to our buy page, for example, if you're interested in buying one of our products, and you have a look at the details and you see that in order to use our product you need a token, then you might remember that that exists on our login page. So you get to log in and you can pick up the token there ready to use in the X sheet in Excel. So yeah, you can do that. You might want to again check on some news maybe relating to a product that you remember reading about, and again you can go back to the news stories and you can see the next news story by clicking on that and take you to the next news story, and so on and so forth. So yeah, they work on every page. They also work when you're looking at small screens, very much designed to be small screen friendly. So let's pretend that we're looking at our cell phone right now. And yeah, so we'll shrink the size of the screen. And let's have a look at another page. Maybe we've got some questions that we don't know the answers to. So we go to our FAQ page. And we're interested very much in finding out how the search works. So maybe what we'll do is we'll just call that search up. So we know exactly what we are looking at, and then we can find a relevant FAQ to go with that.